Good morning, Salah here from Cairo. My name is Monica, and today I'm going to be taking you on a day in the life during the summer here in Cairo. Without further ado, this is my cat, Raja. She'll be on the adventure with us as long as we are home. It's around 8:30 a.m., so I wanted to give you an idea of what it's like here, because it's very different than what people would assume Cairo is like first thing in the morning. So here is Leo, very clean. We usually come out here in the mornings before it gets too hot, because it's gonna get hot. All right, well, let's get our day started. Yalla. I mean, first things first, right? Breakfast. So I'm dressed and ready, and it is about 10 minutes to 10. My Arabic class starts at 10 a.m. And my Uber will be here any minute. So let's go to the first stop of the day. أنا أعلمني عربي في اليوكان.
تدرسي عربي يعني؟
أيوة. مدرسة عربي إنجليزي بس. أنا أعلمني عربي.
وانت work as a teacher؟
أيوة. أنا مدرسة إنجليزي في أونلاين مش مدرسة.
Your job is a teacher.
Yes. بس أنا طالبة في American University. Yeah. both. شكرا. شرف بيكو. It's a perfect time to get into how I get around Cairo, because you're certainly not walking in this heat. It is entirely too hot and there's not much shade. There are sidewalks in certain places, but not everywhere. So really, everyone's using either Uber or InDrive. There's also a third called Didi, but really Uber and InDrive are the best. Uber is great because they take credit cards. But you will find that sometimes Uber drivers will cancel on you if you're using Visa, or they'll ask you to pay cash. InDrive is cool because you set your own price, and then you can negotiate with drivers that are nearby, and there's a lot of InDrive drivers, so you're more likely to get an InDrive taxi. But no Visa, only cash with InDrive. There is no credit cards with it. So if you don't have cash, you're using Uber. Okay. لبن. Okay. زبادي. فريك.
برافو.
نسكافيه.
اوكي.
صلصة.
سكر. That's okay. سكر.
لحمة.
ايوه.
اوكي. شاي. جبنة. جبنة أكيد بس لبن. جبنة. Not زبادي. No, زبادي is yogurt. Oh, زبدة. ده
زبدة.
رز.
ايوه.
Another part of my day is teaching English online through Preply. It's been an amazing way to meet students from around the world, keep my schedule flexible, and still be able to focus on grad school. As you can see, I have no lessons for today, so it is on to the next adventure. I would be a terrible host today if I did not show you one of Cairo's greatest things to eat. Koshary! Ah, it's so good. So we eat koshary rather often here in Cairo because it's fast, cheap, delicious, and super filling. It's got pasta, rice, chickpeas, lentils, fried onions, and it's topped with tomato sauce and da'a, which is a like vinegar, lemon, garlic sauce. You can also put this really hot oil on it as well. It's so good. You definitely should eat it with toast and wash it down with a cola for a perfect Egyptian treat. So let's take you on a tour of my apartment. I live in Maadi, which is about 30 minutes from the pyramids. This is my living room. Apartments come furnished, which is great. This is where I do all of my work, teach my students. I have 2 bedrooms. And here is the director of operations, Miss Raja. My kitchen, bathrooms over there, and my bedroom. And that's the balcony that I was on earlier. That's how I get out. It's small, but perfect for me. So it is now 7:40 p.m. I decided to take a walk so I could show you what Cairo is really like. We're going to go under the overpass to Road 9 where there's more cafes and people and things to do. So this is the underpass. We're going to walk through here. This is going to get us to the other side for some things. Walk through, and this will take us, we're currently on Road 7. This will take us to Road 9. Now we have made it to Road 9. Here is the metro station. They do have tuk-tuks on this side, but not often. You don't see them on the other side where I live. But tuk-tuks are really fun too. They're a quick way to get around, so it makes life a little easier. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking. It's time for the call to prayer. This is the evening prayer. Sounds beautiful. So now we are on a very busy street. You'll see that there is a lot of restaurants and places to eat. We'll keep going. Still, after 3 years of hearing the adhan every day between Bangladesh and here in Egypt, it still is so peaceful, and it really makes me remember how far I've come, because coming from the Bronx, you know, this is not something that you hear. So it's beautiful. Now we're gonna go get some tea or some coffee here on Road 9. You can see the street is starting to come alive. Since it was too hot for tea, I went for a pistachio crepe. Let's try it out. It's probably delicious. Guys, a little update. It is delicious. A little pricey. It was 210 EGP because I got coffee in it, like espresso. You can taste it, you can't see it, but really good. Totally worth it. So 210 EGP is like $4. It's not something you get every day, but it's super delicious. So it's around 9 p.m. now, and I'm just finishing at the cafe. I'm probably going to head back to my apartment and relax. And this will probably be my last video of the live for today. I hope you all enjoyed seeing a bit of what it's like to live in Cairo and teach online. Thank you so much to the International TEFL Academy for giving me the opportunity to take you along on a day here. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.